Soil erosion overview. Soil erosion is the process by which the top layer of soil is removed by natural forces such as water, wind, and human activities. It can lead to loss of fertile land, reduced agricultural productivity, and environmental degradation. Water erosion caused by rainfall, surface runoff, and river flooding. Wind erosion occurs in arid and semi-arid regions where strong winds blow away loose soil particles. Human activities, deforestation, overgrazing, improper agricultural practices, and construction activities. Loss of soil fertility, removal of the nutrient-rich topsoil layer. Sedimentation, deposition of eroded soil in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, reducing their capacity and quality. Water pollution, runoff carrying pesticides, fertilizers, and sediments polluting water bodies. Reduced agricultural productivity, loss of arable land, and decreased crop yields. Reclamation of degraded land. Reclamation of degraded land involves restoring land that has been rendered unproductive due to soil erosion, salinization, deforestation, and other factors. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees and vegetation to stabilize soil and restore ecosystem health. Terracing. Creating terraces on slopes to reduce runoff and soil erosion. Contour plowing, plowing along the contour lines of the land to reduce soil erosion. Gully plugging using check dams, vegetation, and other structures to fill and stabilize gullies formed by erosion. Soil amendments, adding organic matter, gypsum or lime to improve soil structure and fertility. Water management, implementing irrigation techniques to prevent waterlogging and salinization. Desertification and its control. Let's dive into an overview of this critical issue. Desertification is the process by which fertile land becomes desert-like due to climatic changes and human activities. It leads to loss of vegetation, soil degradation, and reduced land productivity. Causes: climate change, prolonged droughts, and changing weather patterns. Deforestation, removal of trees, reduces soil stability and increases erosion. Overgrazing, excessive grazing by livestock leads to loss of vegetation cover. Unsustainable agricultural practices, overcultivation, and poor irrigation practices deplete soil nutrients and cause salinization. Urbanization, expansion of urban areas, reduces natural vegetation and increases land degradation. Control measures. Sustainable land management. Adopting agricultural practices that maintain soil health, such as crop rotation, agroforestry, and conservation tillage. Afforestation and reforestation, planting trees and vegetation to restore land cover and prevent erosion. Water conservation, implementing rainwater harvesting, efficient irrigation systems, and water-saving techniques. Soil conservation, using methods such as mulching, contour plowing, and terracing to reduce soil erosion. Grazing management, regulating grazing intensity and rotational grazing to maintain vegetation cover. Community involvement, engaging local communities in land restoration projects and promoting sustainable land use practices. Policy and legislation, enforcing laws and regulations to protect land resources and promote sustainable land management. Addressing soil erosion, reclaiming degraded land, and controlling desertification are critical for sustainable land management and environmental conservation. Implementing effective measures and involving communities are essential for restoring land productivity and preventing further degradation.